Hello there. I'm diving deep into the world of olive oil to find out if extra virgin is really worth the hype. Let's put it to the test. Extra virgin olive oil has gained a ton of popularity over the years, not just for its rich flavor but also for its numerous health benefits. People swear by it as a staple in their kitchen, using it for everything from sautéing vegetables to making dressings. The idea is that it's not just any ordinary oil, it's supposed to be of the highest quality, extracted with care to preserve its natural goodness. One common misconception is that extra virgin olive oil is significantly healthier than regular olive oil. While it's true that extra virgin has a distinct taste and some unique characteristics, the health benefits aren't as drastically different as many might think. Another misconception is that the price difference between extra virgin and other types of olive oil is justified by its quality. Sure, extra virgin can be quite pricey, but is it really worth it? The process of making extra virgin olive oil is quite different from regular olive oil. Extra virgin is cold extracted, which helps preserve its flavor and nutrients. This method involves crushing olives and then separating the oil without using heat, which can damage the oil's quality. On the other hand, regular olive oil might be extracted using heat or chemicals, which can make it less flavorful and possibly less healthy. The flavor profile of extra virgin olive oil is often described as fruity or peppery, which can elevate the taste of dishes. The health benefits of extra virgin olive oil are indeed impressive. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can contribute to heart health and more. However, it's essential to note that while extra virgin olive oil has these benefits, regular olive oil also offers a range of health advantages. The key might be in the quality and how it's processed, but the differences aren't as black and white as they seem. Some studies and taste tests have compared extra virgin olive oil with other types to see if it's truly worth the investment. These tests often reveal that while extra virgin has a unique taste and some health benefits, the differences might not be drastic enough to justify the cost for everyone. Taste preferences play a huge role here. Some people can really tell the difference, while others might not notice a significant change. Given all the information, it's clear that extra virgin olive oil has its perks, from its flavor to its health benefits. However, whether it's worth the investment depends on individual priorities and budgets. If you value the unique taste and are willing to pay a bit more for potentially higher quality, then it might be worth it for you. If you've had experiences with extra virgin olive oil, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cooking oils or healthy eating, check out my other video where we dive into the best oils for different cooking needs. Check out our Nook link below now.